Hello guys and welcome back to Cheaty Plays. And I have one more thing to say. Don't mind the noise. My mom's cooking, my dad's like doing something with the laptop, my uncle, it doesn't matter. And don't mind if you hear my dog whining. Coco's a bit sick today, so yeah. Oh, one more thing. In the comments, if you want, you can say like happy birthday or something to me, because yesterday was my sister's birthday and mine. Oh, by the way, as well in the comments, you guys could tell me what your channel is, and I can go there to subscribe. Alright, so all you have to do is go on gacha. So yeah, get a character that you really don't like, and go here and just leave it as name if you want. I really don't know what it is, but I'm just gonna put a random. Sorry, this is just on gacha life, just so you guys know. So let's go here and we'll change the ones that you guys really don't need to rad. The most dangerous is what I heard. So you can go ahead and change it however you want. I like mine's a bit more green right now. I'm feeling green. And I'm gonna go to this one and go on profile. Go edit info. So let's say, hey name, can you make rad your friend? It's for a gacha life. Oh no. It's for a gacha life glitch video. Thank you. By the way, I'm doing this on my tablet, so don't mind me. Alright, so let's get out. Oh, sorry, the book's still here. And let's go on Gacha Club. Sorry guys, I'll have to pause. Alright, so here I am. Let's just make my hair stop wiggling. Right. I forgot how to do that. I wasn't on a Gacha Club for a long time, so don't mind me if I don't know that much. 0, 0, 6, and 0, 0. Take 0 as well. Oh, dang it, that's 10. Whatever, sorry guys. Alright, well, should we go check if she said? Alright, yeah, so let's go check. Alright, I'm out of there, gotta go and gotcha. What the what? Okay. Alright, I guess, but don't go too far. I guess, alright, okay. Well, let's put rad and name, in, that place. Oh, by the way, I'll be there as well. Just a moment. Alright, let's make you look very happy. Come on. This is a big, yeah, whatever. I'm not even gonna talk about this right now. So, actually, no, do yourself. Alright. Okay, I'll do myself. I'll make me and Rad be friends then. Alright. Rad and me going right here. Right. I'll put background in the woods. Yeah. I think the woods is gonna be a lovely place for gacha glich. Alright. Let me open my mouth and say, wanna be friends? Wanna be my friend? Just kidding. Alright, want to be my friend. Want to be my friend? Let's see if he responds. You know what? I'm just like gonna leave. Yeah, I'm gonna leave. So let me see my other characters. So I think I'll have to change him. Oh my god. Let's put your eyes like, yeah. Alright, I think that's it. Yeah, let me go check. Why in the world am I I'm gonna go in studio right now. What did he say? I can't see. What did he say? Really, I will kill you for this? That makes no sense. What? You know what? Doesn't matter. Whatever. You know. No. Maybe. No. No. Oh my god. I'm gonna do a happy face. What the what? You know, I'm getting a bit creeped out. You know, I'm gonna get out. Just a moment, guys. I gotta go eat dinner. Alright, guys. I am back here at what the what? What in the world? You know what? Let's be friendly. Yeah. Let's get a knife off of you. Yeah. Perfect. Yeah. You know, I don't care anymore. That's it. You made my character bleed. That is just I can't even speak. Just a moment. Alright. Happy face and you, bro. Just a minute. Don't mind the noise, random. Let's see. No. Yeah. Yeah, random color. Girly. There we go. Actually, I'm gonna make you into a princess. Yes. Oh my god, is it drunk? Alright, this is taking forever. This one, and let's do I'm a little pretty princess, yeah. That was the guy I gave, yeah, whatever. I am a pretty princess. I am a pretty princess. Alright guys, that's it, and if you would like, you guys could as well tell me what your channel is, and I'll go there and subscribe. Thank you guys.